This project was instigated by the School of Medicine as an important step towards providing a more culturally safe environment for our students, staff and visitors. As you can see, this building has given recognition to the colonial history of this place, but until now there has been no visibility of the history of the First Peoples of this place. Our role as educators of health professionals is to provide a culturally safe and honest environment to support Aboriginal health professionals and non-Aboriginal health professionals working together to improve the health outcomes of our people.
It's a timeline designed to make the medical school more welcoming for Aboriginal students and to give other students a better notion of the true history of this place.
And over the past 5 years, I've been very proud to lead the university on a journey and to actually change the way we do Aboriginal business. And it's quite remarkable what we've seen over the last 2 years, and it's been a case of so many people have contributed to that. So the primary goal of the strategic plan that we wrote a few years ago was to situate a vibrant, intellectual, highly visible Indigenous, especially Tasmanian Aboriginal presence as an openly valued aspect of the university and the culture and the knowledge traditions of the university. And Tikara Milathina Lutruwita Nika Paiwuta is, I think, a really wonderful example of how that visibility is there.